You can use analytics to get other kinds of data, not just screen views. I'll quickly show you the kinds of data you can get, and then you'll try it out for yourself. You can add code to your app to find out what your users are doing by sending data to analytics to track events, like when a button is clicked. Or, if you're building a game, say, you could send an event when a user unlocks a new level. Here's an example of the event screen in the Analytics dashboard. So you see the category of the event, and you see the actions. You can find out if your users are doing what you hope they'll do by setting goals. For example, you might set a goal for the users to click the Buy Now button, or click on an ad, or reach a certain page. So here you see that one of the goals is for the users to rate the app. So you can track how users browse and buy. If your app lets users view products and buy them, you can track how the customers progress through the shopping flow. You can see which products get purchased in the product performance page, and you can track the steps throughout the purchase and checkout process. To track the way users view and buy things, your app needs to have the structure and code in place for users to browse products, add them to the cart, check out. And then to get the analytics data, you need to add code to send a hit to analytics at each stage of the process. You can also track how long it takes for things to happen in your app. You need to write the code to time the task that needs to be timed, and then you add the code to send a hit to analytics to report the timing data. And you see the timing info in the app speed page in the behavior section in the dashboard. And you can track when things go wrong. You can send data to analytics when your app throws an exception, or in the hopefully unlikely event, has a crash. So here you can see I've got a couple different exceptions. You can also track how users download your app. In this course, we're not going to put our app on the Play Store, so I'll leave you to explore how to track download sources in your own time with an app that you've published to the Play Store. So that was a roundup of the kinds of things you can track with analytics. Now, let's go do some tracking.